to be inserting the O-ring, the D-ring. So I wanted to show you guys kind of how I do what I do. Let's see if I can get it to cooperate here. So what I usually do is I get this O-ring at least one side in. So I'm pushing while I'm fitting it up into the wall where it's got to go under that clip. So once I get one end, okay, I just felt it kind of go in pretty good. And once I get it going in, this is what it looks like. It looks like an angle. Like I got one end out, one end in. What I do is I grab this dull flathead and I take that and I push it down and in. Now it looks like a cockeyed mess, but actually we've got a lot better I got a lot better chance of it fitting up and in there. I'm just taking this dull pick and I'm moving it to the edge. And I'm fitting this to the edge. I want everything to be sitting. See this side, it's a little bit under. With the pick, I'm gonna push it up in, boom. It just went. And this side's just about to go. I think I just got it, but I gotta push up. Now, once I get it in, I go around this right here, it's sticking out further than it should. I just push the pick up against the wall. Flushes it out. Once I get it in here, like it's pretty good, I go around and I go at the bottom of the D-ring and I push and I push and I push. And it fits everything nice and snug. Obviously, this is a more dull pick. You wouldn't want a sharp one. And then if I really feeling like I want to go the extra mile, I'll push down on the top, right underneath the C-clip. And that will give me a nice fit. So as you guys can see, I've got the O-ring in, seated, and she's looking happy for oil rail to fit right into her.